video time. I ordered a couple of days ago and they've come today, Friday, Fabric Friday. And these are remnant bags that I get. I've had 5 bags and there's about 10 meters they say in each. Sorry about that, battery just went down on my camera, so I'll put a bit of charge in it so I can carry on. And I've laid them all out, and there's a lot here, £37.50, but there's at least half a metre of all the fabrics, and they put 10 metres, at least 10 metres in a bag. So some of these, this for instance, there's 2.5 meters of that. You've got some thicker materials, fabrics that I can use on different things, even the soles of slippers. And then there's some crushed velvet and velvet here. Some more of this so I can make myself another winter coat. And there's this vinyl as well, but in different colours than I've got, which will be brilliant for bags. And there's all this that I can basically use either as backing or in quilts themselves. But you'll sometimes get, especially with me having 5 bags in one go, you'll get half a metre, then there's, no, this one's a metre, then a half a metre, and then 1.25 meters of the same fabric. So that's brilliant. Same as here. This is a world map, but it's 2 bits. There's half a metre and a metre, and it just stands me. There's enough to keep me going for a while. There's nets as well, and these nets I'm actually using to make my own cushion inserts, so that's all right. There's also something that I can use as backing for a tablecloth, so we'll see on that. And there's some things that I'd actually make a pair of trousers out of them. So that'll be, there's about 1.5 meters of that grey, which will do me a pair of trousers for 75p. Yes, because that's what they work out at, 75p each. And so I just thought I'd share this. And the box it came in is also being used, because I cut it up and then I put the fabric on it so it can go on my shelves. The plastic bags that they came in, if I can, I save them, so when I give a present to someone of what I've made, I roll them up in it. So thank you.